Welcome to Mr. Androbiotic. Hope you all are good. Today I'm going to show you how to create a VPN with your mobile phone. You don't need any computer or anything, and you don't need any coding and programming knowledge. You just create a simple VPN with your mobile phone without any coding in only 10 minutes. If you want to know how to create this VPN, please stick with my videos, don't skip, because this video is going to be interesting. Now let's go to my screen. I'm showing you how to create this VPN. Here I back to my screen. First of all, we have to go a browser. It can be any kind of browser, Safari browser, Opera browser, or a Chrome browser, whatever it is. So I'm going to use the Chrome browser. In this search box, I'm going to write here apps geyser and search for apps geyser. Swipe up a little bit. Here you can see appsgeysers.com. This is appsgeysers official website. Click on this appsgeysers website. Here they show me create app for free. So this is our website from where we can create any kind of apps. Today I'm going to show you how to create a VPN by using this website. Now our next step is click on this button, which is create app for free. I'm going to click on this. It will show me this kind of interface. Look here, a lot of apps sample. This kind of apps I can create, but I'm going to create a VPN, so I'm going to select VPN Premium option. Click on VPN Premium. So this is our template description. You have nothing to do here. Simply click on the next button. Here is our thing, app settings. From here you can customize your app's design. You can choose your background images of your apps. Here is your background images. You can choose. You can customize different kinds of colors and themes from here. You can also select any kind of colors from here. Okay, so I'm not going to change. By default I'm going to put this all of things. Just I'm going to change the background image because I have my background image in my gallery. I choose my background image. I'm going to crop this. Okay, so this is my background image, app's background image. We are done here. Now click on the next button. Here we can see the app name. Give a beautiful name for your VPN. Give your own name for your VPN. I'm going to give my channel's name Mr. Androbiotic. It will be my VPN's name. Now click on the next button. Here you can see the icon. They are asking for an icon. By default you can use this icon, or if you have any icon or any logo of your VPN, then click on the custom icon. I have my own icon, so I'm going to upload that photo from my gallery. Okay, here is our custom icon. Now click on the next button. Here is our create button. It means we have passed all the steps. Simply click on the create buttons. It will take some few seconds. They are asking for creating an account in this website. If you already have any account, then continue with Google or Facebook. But if you don't have any account, you can create account here. So I'm going to create an account with Google. It will take some few seconds or minutes. You just have to be patient. Well, we sign up with this website. Now it is taking me to their homepage. So here is our dashboard where you can see your own VPN you already created. Look at this. Here is a lot of ads. We don't need to do anything. Simply you can see here top of the bar in the left side, this is your VPN app. You are going to download this app, so click on this arrow. I'm going to click on this arrow. Now how you want to download your apps? Look, here is a lot of way you can download your apps. You can put your Gmail here. You can put your Gmail here and send app to email. Click here. They will send you a link from where you can download your apps, or the easiest way is click on this .apk Android package. I will click on this. This will take me to the download pages. Okay, follow the instruction. Our download will be automatically started. Here you can see download started. Look, here is our file. This is our VPN, but the problem is file might be harmful. These things you may be think this can be harm your device. No, this can't be harm your device. This is showing you because this is a third-party apps. You are downloading an apps from outside of Play Store. That's why these things are always showing you when you are going to download anything from a browser. Okay, so we are going to click on download anyway. This will automatically started our downloading process. Look at this. Our apps are downloading. If your Wi-Fi speed or net speed is better, then it will take less time for download.
2,000 years later.
Look, our download is already completed. Here you can see the notification. The file size is almost 27 MB. Okay, now I'm going to click on this notification. It will show me this kind of interface. Now click on the install. It installing your VPN. Okay, my VPN is installed. Click on the done button. So here is our VPN, which we already created from that website. This is our VPN. Now let's see how it works. Click on your VPN. You can see this is very similar to a VPN. This is your own VPN. Here are a lot of options you can see. This is our switch. Our VPN is now disconnected. This is our VPN Premium. We can choose location from here. Okay, so now let's see how this VPN works. Go to the Chrome browser, search here, check my IP location. Click on this website. What is my IP address? It will take a few seconds. Look, they are showing me my location is Bangladesh. Okay, now I'm going to open my VPN. Click on OK. Our VPN is connecting. Look, here you can see on the notification our VPN is connecting.
2,000 years later.
Look, our VPN is already connected. Now let's check on our browser what is our IP location. Refresh this page again. Wait a little bit. Here you can see this is showing our IP address is in Netherlands because our VPN is already started. Our VPN location is Netherlands. So here is a lot of location you can connect with. This is our own VPN without any coding or programming. So this was our today's video. If this video helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. If you face any problem, please feel free to comment. See you on the next video. Stay good. Goodbye.